Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the camera perspective in the Mini World Crata game. To change your camera perspective, you want to go into Settings. Here under Settings, in Basic, you can see the View settings, First Person, Backview, Third Person and Free View. Pick the one you'd want to use, and then you can exit the settings, and when you enter in the game, it should allow you to just see the results. You can also probably change the view settings in-game too, which I can show you soon. As you can see in here, it's in first person view, but let's go to settings. So someone has beaten us. Let's look into settings here, and you can change the settings here. As you can see, we're now in third person, back view, or free view, which should allow us to just look around however much we'd like. And we can exit the game. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.